Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And I keep on telling you that people, me not gonna lie to you. Foota hype this Bounty Killer on his birthday. A lot of people think that he was wishing him a happy birthday, but he wasn't. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm going to show you that he's losing his mind with this exact picture because he, you know what, we'll save that for later, people, because trust me, he made a post previously with the same picture, basically sucking the sweat off a bounty killer's skin. You know what I mean? And we have the proof, as usual, to show you that we're not fabricating any of this. Also, Jada Kingdom is showing signs that she is back on the streets. You know, the other day, I dropped a review saying that her boyfriend, Versi, kicked her to the curb. You feel what I'm saying? And she's showing other signs of that she's single because she also removed his name off of her specific body part. You feel me? But I'm seeing some things that I might feel is just a publicity stunt to get us to be talking about her. Because you don't know the things that people spice a locked on the place. Nothing else can trend right now. You feel what I'm saying? So we'll get to that as well. And also, Skilly Bang problem. No, I'm joking. You don't know the things that the girl that tattoo Skilly Bang upon her name. Hear me about tattoo Skilly Bang name upon her. The girl who write erasable marker on her forehead with Skilly Bang name is calling up, or I said talking up the things and about Shenseea. So here with people, let us get into the thing. So we all know yesterday was, the great the great Grung Godzilla's birthday. Yes, people, I had trouble with that. Bounty Killer's birthday, and everybody took the time to wish him, a blessed one on his Earth Strong, except for Foota Hype. You see, he had this to say: "Your existence helped me to propel mine, so I appreciate the day Miss Ivy gave birth to you. You're a blessing to the industry and a curse to your own greatness because of your effed up ego. I hope you change that ish before it's too late. Stop making the real people who love you hate you. Enjoy your Earth Strong. At Grown Godzilla." Yo, somebody is a big attention seeker. You see, I wouldn't have no issue with what he said about Bounty because we all know their history, you know what I mean? But I have an issue because he was singing a different tune the same day last year, people. I swear to you. And I'm not even going to diss him. I'm going to show you that he's a flip flopper. I don't know if because he's a Pisces by nature and that's a fish, but this is what he had to say about Bounty Killer on his birthday last year. If at Grown Godzilla accepts or approve this post, it's not my business. We have had bad moments, but that will never cloud my memory of all the good he did for me and my music career. I wish Mr. Price long life and prosperity and superb health and with a lot of wealth. Happy New Year to the dancehall god. And New Year meaning, another Earth Strong. Foot is not Western minded, like Christians and thing. But if you look at the date, June 12th, 2020, that was, yeah, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm putting in the comment section what to think about that. You said. Now, Honey Milan or Milan Honey, not whatever her name is, but you know what I'm trying to say, is making her name for herself, and she is becoming like a sensation on the internet. You don't know the things that she scribbled. People scribbled. She tattooed Skilly Bang's name on her forehead, and we'll get to that later. But right now, she's talking up the things them both Shenseea. So here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little listen, and then we'll proceed.
Been had clout, bitch. Been have bumble clout, okay? If you don't want to talk about people where I look for clout, what happened to the pregnancy body? What happened to the pregnancy body? You don't worry about my tattoo. What happened to the pregnancy body? Eh? Me pregnant by...
For them who buy views.
And the people them where buy views. What happened to the people them where buy views and the people them were pregnant? Hmm? Hmm? Okay. I don't have nothing to say about that, right? Good night. Good night.
I like her. I like her. I like her. She's kind of peppery, you know. Yeah, so put me in the comment section what you think about that. And people, you know the thing said. Social media detectives is very observant, you know. And from day one, I said, I don't know if this tattoo is real or not because it looked like, you know, it was done with a marker, you know, like somebody scribbled a marker all over her face. And, you know, the detective is out and they're saying basically it's the same thing because they're saying that the before and the after the after doesn't line up as you can see with the eyebrows. You feel me? Yeah. And now the other day I dropped a story saying that Jada Kingdom got kicked to the curb by her boyfriend Versi, and no one believed me. You feel what I'm saying? And I don't know if it's true or not, but based off what I seen, I thought it was true because the last time I seen them following each other is when I did reviews on Jada Kingdom and her management problem, and that was like a month or two ago. And you know, when I did the story, I think 2 days ago, they wasn't following each other. So you know, I thought there was a little truth to what the sender was saying. And since I dropped that review, she's been showing hints that she's single. Like, for example, she had this to say in her caption, and I know it's a line from her song, but you don't know all the things said. It's a line that is seems to be pertaining to what's going on, what's being said about her, you know, with the split. And she had this to say: Bad girl, no mad over boy picnic. You can't take me for your yam head. And she also dropped another line from one of her songs, Me Gone Back to the Streets, or What You Heard About. You feel what I'm saying? And the latest thing that maybe is hinting towards the breakup is she got rid of his name. She tatted on his neck. So I don't know if she's planning on putting the tattoo of his name elsewhere, but I'm just saying this is what it's looking like, you know. But then again, I don't know if this is all a publicity stunt to get King Mix Up to be talking about them because if I don't, you know, they won't trend. Let me behave myself, people. But no, it's because I seen Versi made a comment under one of her recent posts, you know, about me going back to the streets or where you hear about. You see it, so I don't know if it's a publicity stunt. You don't know the thing said. It's kind of hard for anybody to trend right now because Spice locked on the place and things. But I was just giving you these updates. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all because I run and see get the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.